So how to use USB flash drive or SD card or pen drive, all are same process. Just follow this on. Just insert your SD card or pen drive. Now if you go back your mobile and just open your file manager, you go back, then you can see your pen drive available here. Now open your pen drive. Now if you want to transfer any file, video or anything to your pen drive to iPhone, just press and hold, copy, and if you want to uh, multiple, then press on select. You can transfer multiple as well. Now once done, press on this three dotted line, press on copy item. Now go back to your iPhone device. Now where you want to transfer, iPhone, drive or iCloud area. Suppose I want to transfer to my iPhone. Now if you want to create a new folder, then you can also create folder as well. Just file, pen drive, then open your file, then press and hold and press on paste. Those file is available here, and if you want to save those file to your gallery as well, this area, then you just need to save it. Open, then this line, then save image, then your file will be saved to your image gallery. So simply open your image gallery, then recent save, then you can see your image available here. Now suppose you want to transfer file to your iPhone to your pen drive, then same process. Select any file, suppose this one, or if you want to mark all, press on this icon, sorry, this three dotted line, copy item, go back to your pen drive. Now paste, then keep both, your file will be transferred to your pen drive as well. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.